Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a new episode of HotDiecast Garage. Today's a cold winter day, so I figured let's open up some Hot Wheels winter-themed cars. You guys are probably aware that Hot Wheels releases a new winter collection every holiday season. I have the 2019 cars, the 2020, 2021, and 2022 series to open up today. So the first two sets have 6 cars each, the 21 and 22 series have 5 cars each, and I've also included the Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas collection, which features 8 cars. Now I am missing one car out of the Disney 25 Years of the Nightmare Before Christmas series, and it's number 2, which is Sally's custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. But regardless, I still think this spooky series fits in really well with these other winter cars, and in total we're going to be opening up 29 winter-themed Hot Wheels, so let's get cracking. Starting off with the first car in the 2019 series, it's a red color of Rockster with green tires and gold rims. This next one is one of my personal favorites of all the winter cars. Number 2 is the green and gold Screamliner. Moving along to number 3 out of 6, this one is called Audacious and it has white tires and snowflakes across the side. Let's take a look at number 4. This one is a silver colored car with red tires and gold rims called Scorcher. Popping off at number 5 is another one that I'm a fan of. It's the blue color of Muscle Tone featuring number 19 on the side. You can't finish a holiday collection without the Celebration car. The 2019 series ends with the 2020 edition of Carbinator. Alright, picking up our next collection, the 2020 series starts off with number 1 out of 6, the Evil Twin. Now here we have a truck that really stands out. Number 2 is the North Pole Motor Oil Fast Gassin'. The third car in the Winter 20 series has a big wing and a translucent body. This one is called Paradigm Shift. We saw this car in 2019, but number 4 for 2020 is the dark blue color of Rockster. Sliding into number 5 out of 6 in the 2020 series is the satin gold color of the car Torque Twister. Don't be surprised, wrapping up this set is another edition of the Bottle Car Carbinator to celebrate Happy New Year 2021. The HW Winter 21 series features 5 cars, and the first one is a licensed casting, the 66 Ford 427 Fairlane. Jumping into number 2 out of 5, this one is featured on the package art itself. It's the blue color of Avant-Garde. For the rally car fans, this one looks like a ton of fun in the snow. Number 3 is the red color of the Ford Escort. This is probably my favorite car in the collection. Number 4 is the gray color of the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. Tying up this series is the Happy New Year 2022 car. Of course, it's another new edition of the Bottle Car Carbinator. We have now dug our way into the newest Hot Wheels Winter Car series. This is number 1 out of 5 for 2022, the Chrysler Pacifica. Check this one out, it's a pretty cool winter off-roader. Number 2 is the blue color of Geo Terra with big white off-roading tires. Another vehicle from a licensed manufacturer, number 3 happens to be the Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck. Gliding into number 4 out of 5 in the 2022 series, this one is another crazy off-roader. It's the Toyota Off-Road Truck. Finishing off the 2022 series is the Happy New Year bottle car for the current year 2023. It's another color of Carbinator. Now let's take a look at Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas series. Number 1 out of 8 is Jack Skellington, featured as the Street Creeper. So skipping number 2 because I don't have it, number 3 is the character Oogie Boogie, featured as the Hot Wheels Super Van. Number 4 is a pretty neat car featuring the character Dr. Finkelstein. It's the gold color of Midnight Auto. Floating into number 5 out of 8, this one features the ghostly dog Zero, and the car is the vehicle Quick and Sick. Here we have a very large vehicle full of character and style. Number 6 out of 8 features the Mayor and the Hot Wheels Cool One. We're getting near the end here, and number 7 features 3 characters, Lock, Shock, and Barrel, and the Hot Wheels car Cockney Cab 2. To finish off the Disney Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas 25-year series, number 8 out of 8 is Santa Claus on the Hot Wheels Power Panel. So guys, there we have it. Those are 29 Hot Wheels winter-themed cars from 2019, 2020, 21, and 22. It was fun to get them out of the package and see the evolution of the HW Winter series from 2019 all the way to 2022, and I'm curious to see what they'll do for 2023. Let me know in the comments below if you guys collect the Hot Wheels winter cars, and also which one of these cars happens to be your favorite vehicle. A lot of people have been asking why I don't upload as many videos as I used to, and it's actually because I have a new job I've been working on over the past years. So thank you guys for being patient with the videos, and I have a lot more things planned for this year as well. I want to thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and I will see all of you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.